Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Okay. Then I'm starting the topic. Starting pen paper. We're starting with the same example which we have stopped last time, which is your variance. Have you computed in? I will compute for you in Excel, guys. Yes. अब ले जाओ घर, उसको देना मेरे को. Three. I informed you yesterday, no? On screen, guys. Anisha, you want to see the screen?
Yes, sir. I can see the screen.
So guys, we are solving variance. Okay, the concept is for variance only. We done range, we done mean, median, mode, which is very simple. Do you need a revision? It's very simple, I agree. Okay. When I say guys variance, variance means difference. Simple way. Okay. Always you can think like this way. Variance give you answer without scale and standard deviation with scale. Let's prove this. So there is a company, I've removed the company name. A firm is starting a delivery service for a client between 2 points. Okay. There is a company who have to deliver. So you can think of Zomato, you can think of Swiggy also. So they are delivery companies. Since it's a new client, so let's say we have say Rahul. Rahul is a new customer. He logged into the Zomato first time. The firm want to send more consistent delivery boy to deliver the product. So we have two different boys. Delivery boy 1 and boy 2. I need to find more consistent means the boy who delivers the product faster. If he delivers the product faster, can I say the customer will be happy? If customer is happy, he will again come to Zomato. If the delivery time given is 30 minutes and we deliver the food after 50 minutes, what happened? 30 minutes is the time for deliver and we deliver at 50.
Free food, sir. Few restaurants offers free food.
Customers either they want free food, they'll be happy. Otherwise, they feel like we are not happy with the service. Next time, I will not come to Zomato. I will go to Swiggy.
Yes.
So main task is to deliver the food on time or before time to make the customer happy. So we have two different boys and we have taken the 20 days delivery times. Day 1, day 2, day 3, so on till day 20. 20 days delivery time we have taken. So if you can see day 1, how much time taken by the delivery man 1, guys? Second, 14. Second day, 13.
14, 13.
10. Third day, 17, 31.
17.
So sometimes they deliver faster, sometimes late. This vice versa will happen. Our job as an analyst to find which is the best person so that he should deliver the food to Rahul faster and he will be happy. Okay. So now we have to compute variance. So let's first compute mean, guys. I have done in Excel for you. It's a very lengthy data. Okay. I just compute mean. What is the mean? So both the average are same. So based on mean, it becomes difficult to conclude which is a better one. So I compute variance. Variance coming for me is 166 and standard deviation for me is 12.89. This is the square root. Variance for boy 2, this is for delivery boy 1 and this is for B2. Now the way of reading, can I say 166 minutes required to deliver the food? It becomes difficult. Our data is given in minute point of view. So 166 minutes is very difficult. Can I say 12 minutes difference? So can I call standard deviation give you on scale as per the data and this is unscaled. Clear guys?
So I have a doubt.
Yes,
so
please.
Here how we calculated standard deviation variance? Like, do we use any formulas here?
Yeah, same formulas over here. The formula which I've given you prior yesterday.
Okay, the same one.
The same one.
Okay.
Same way you do. This is for D1. Same way you do for D2. Here we have two data, now that's why. So we compute this variance I get as 166, and for delivery by 2 I got as 182. Then I've taken square root, I get 12.89 and 13.48. Guys, where we have the lowest standard deviation?
D1, sir.
D1. So which will deliver the food faster? D1. But the point, so D1 is more consistent delivery boy. So lower the variance, more consistent the delivery. So can I say if variance is low, can I say mean will be accurate? Agree? Low means lower the difference between data, mean will be accurate. Higher difference between data, mean will be different, mean will be large. Can you give me the example which we have taken last time? The mean median mode. Can you give me the numbers that? 23,000, 24,000, 23,000. If I compute variance over here, guys, first I'll compute average and show you. Now I'll compute your variance. This is your average. This is your variance. Now, can I say that lower the variance, accurate the average, as compared to higher the variance, average is very different. Got the point? Right note. Note is your interview questions. Okay. If the variance is less, okay, mean will be more accurate. Mean will be more accurate. Clear? Guys, any question on variance and deviation? Can we say the difference between the employee in terms of salary is 1,22,000? This is salary now. This was income data we have taken. How much first employee income is how much? 23,000. Second, 24, 23, 24, 30, 2,80,000, 2,70,000. How much standard deviation we have? 1.122. So can we say difference between employees 1,22,000? Can we say difference between employee is 2,800? Acceptable? So got the point? So wherever the variance is high, your answer is not, we cannot say it's accurate one. We want low variance. Are very high. This is called, high variance is called as outliers. So because of outliers, guys, our variance will be higher on side. And if variance is on higher side, our mean will get changed. So can I say outlier have direct impact on variance and in average?
Yes.
Repeating, outlier have direct impact on average. Got the point? Easy, guys. Shall we move forward? Yes.
So, I have a doubt.
One second, Anisha.
Yes.
1%
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Okay, sir.
Treat. We have to treat outliers. That will come later. First, we are finding, guys, what is outlier. I will teach you how to treat also. Yes. Anisha, your question, please.
So my doubt is like when we are calculating average variance and standard deviation, we need to select complete column of income and calculate, or only particular?
Yes. No, complete column.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. XR minus X bar. It is manual. In Excel, it has a inbuilt function. It is an inbuilt function. You can see. Every software have inbuilt function. I am bringing Excel to make things work faster. If I do manually, take times. Now, guys, next topic. No, I'll teach you that. I just give you a hint what is outlier, how to find, how to treat it as remaining. We'll come later after this. Write this.
So completed.
Done? Done for you? Shall I? Now guys, write the thing, right? Transformation method. It's, guys, we call treatment. Okay. You write like this way, hashtag. ब्रैकेट में लिखो ट्रीटमेंट. You know, this only, how to treat. Square transformation, square root, log root, etc. So either you apply log transformation and check, apply square root transformation and check, whichever give you the exact normal shape, then data is normal. Etc. Inverse, reciprocal. Shall I move forward? Concept easy. Obey. Okay. Now, can I say skewness only give you the idea whether data is normal or abnormal? Can we say how much percent data is normal from here? No. So, right, if data is normal, then how much percent data is normal? If data is normal, if data is normal or not, can be defined by skewness. Can, that will come later. Oh, second question, I mean, you write, you got everything. For Kiran, you got everything. You write. Everyone write. If data is normal or not, can be defined by skewness. Can be defined by skewness. Next point. To find how much percent data is normal, to find how much percent data is normal, we use empirical rule. We use empirical rule.
Empirical rule, sir.
Empirical rule. Should I give a spelling? E-M-P-R-I-C. E-E-M-P-R-I-C-A-L. Done. So the concept name is empirical PI हमेशा EMPIRICAL empirical rule. I shall draw a bigger diagram. First, wait, let me draw. What is the central tendency, guys? If we have outliers, before coming to the class, at least study and come. If outliers, median. If no outliers, mean. The center में I have taken as mu. Mu stand for mean. ये mu जो है ये क्या है हमारे लिए mean है. Sigma means perfect sample mean. Okay. Center में mean. If data away from 3 steps, this is the range. This range is going to be the scientist. Mu minus 3 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma. Whichever data come under this range, every data is normal. Okay. And the range of percentage, because we need to give in terms of percent. This percentage is given by the scientist. How much data come under this range? 99.7%. If the shape look like normal, it's okay. They are normal. But how much percent? 99.7. Last logical question. Let's say, example, we have 10 means number of rows. We have 1000 rows. Okay. How much is 99%? 997. Okay. And how much is 0.3%? 300. 3 na? Okay. So can we call this as normal data? और ये क्या हमारे लिए? Either you call outlier, you call abnormal, depends on you. If your data is normal also, okay. But 100% normal, nahi hoga. It will be normal up to 99.7%. Clear? Easy. 100 ka 99% is how much? This number. So this number of rows are normal and 3 rows are either outliers, 3 rows. These are n means 100 rows. Clear? 1 second. Draw this. Done. Do faster. लिखो फोटो राहुल typing photo of yesterday, typing speed photo. How much is the speed for typing? 2-3 people. How much? How you write? How you type? You keep both the hands or you keep only just रखो? कैसे रखते हो रखो? What comes on small finger? Which alphabet? Perfect. You don't have any test now? Now? I have not given any test date also. Once because I started the Python stats now. So I will come back to Python then become difficult. ठीक है Python इतना easy नहीं है. You require practice. If you practice
सर
2 or
टाइम
3
चाहिए पाइथन के लिए टाइम चाहिए सर थोड़ा.
So you have to study daily. If you study weekly, you require lots of time. Okay. Shall I move? Okay. Right, next one. So we'll give test on Friday for Python.
सर सैटरडे रख दो ना प्लीज.
Saturday I'm not there in Mumbai.
आप जब भी रहोगे टेस्ट रख दो बट उससे पहले ना को अभी 2 दिन ही है 2 दिन में.
ठीक है, we'll keep on Monday.
ओके ओके थैंक यू सर.
Okay, thank you. Guys, draw along with me. Let me draw first, then you draw. Wait, because sometimes I erase also. Pause. Let's लिख रहे हो? Something remaining for you? चलो ना. ऐसे draw करो इसको. Box अच्छा तो बने. The box because I have to write many things now. मैं यार ड्रॉ करता हूँ. Just cross check. Have you drawn this prior? I think so. No. You're done in Python. A1. Q3 is meeting. Done. Now let's understand this. If I give you, let's say, 1,000 rows. How many rows we have? 1,000. Can we break into 4 parts? Each part is called quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. In 4 parts, in each part, how much percentage I will have? Percent. If we have numbers 1 to 1,000, so 1 to 250 will come in this row. 251 to 500, 5012 to 750, 750 to 1,000, 751. Till you clear? So splitting data into 4 parts, concept of quartiles. The quartiles break data into 4 parts. Okay. Second question, if I say deciles, deciles break data into 10 parts. In each part, how many data I will have? 10%. If I say percentile, how much? 100 parts. So here, if you see in the box plot, we use the concept of quartiles. Guys, if we have outliers who get affected mostly, mean, median or mode, who get most affected? Book open. If we have outliers, who get more affected? Mean get affected, median get affected, or mode? Mean. So can I say quartiles works on median also? In quartiles, we have median. Q2 is 50% data. Okay. So any value who crosses upper limit or any value who is lower than lower limit, all these values are called as outliers. And the square is called as a box, and the line is called as a whisker line. These are two scientists who combine and make this method. When we have a small data like this way, it becomes easy to find these are outliers. But when you have lakhs of data, crores of data, that time you cannot check manually each and every row. That time we use box cross method, or we call it a box plot. This method helps us to identify outliers. Easy, right? It is used to find outliers. Box whisker plot, it is used to find outliers. Shall I? Let's do an example. I'll show you the image. I'm using a different software, guys. It's not a, you will also learn the software, which is called R programming. I have written the code in R, easy for understand. Okay. What is the max value? Minimum. Okay. I make a plot. Do we have outliers? Where we have upper side. Got the point? How to read the outliers? So can I say my data is from 50 to till 300 to 70? After that, we have outlier point. Easy to read. Open the plot of skewness. Open your book. Check the skewness plot. Look at the plot number 1 and tell me which type of plot is this one. Positive. Okay. If we have data positive, so can we say it is not a normal, it's abnormal data? So we have to apply some type of transformation. So I have applied two types of transformation. One is your log and another one is your square root. Which shape look like normal, guys? Log look like normal or square root? Square root. So can I say out of this, square root is the best transformation for my data? For this data? Agree? So this way we do a treatment. Got the point? Easy. So I shown you how to read the skewness and how to read the plot, the box plot one. Clear? So square root of whole values. This column I have taken in my study called HP. So ये HP जो column है, इसी को मैंने क्या किया? Square root apply किया. Square root of 52, square root of 62, 65, and then we make a plot. वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा सर, इसमें लाउड बोलोगे? हाँ, one value can be up and down. So if you want to see what I have done, I'll make for you ABC dollar log of HP is equal to What I have done? What is the value? 110. Find square root of 110 is how much? With a mobile phone. Square root of 110. 10.48. Are we getting same thing? What is the log of 110? Doing your phone just cross check now. Log of 110. 4.70. Log of 110. 110. Sorry, log of 110. Log base 10. ln. Use natural log. Now, if you can see, guys, actual number is 110. We apply treatment. Which treatment? Log and square root. After applying, I make plot for all three. Then out of all three, I will select which is the best one for me. Got the point? This was your original data. Positive one. After square root, after log. Can I say we transform the data? If we have number 25, example, if you have number 25, can I take square root? What is square root of 25? 5. Square of 5? 21. Square root of 25? 5. Square of 5. Can I say again, you can go back to original data also. So what we applied? Transformation. Which transformation? Square root. The transformation is something we can convert data and also we can go back. Clear? So this transformation is used to make data normal. Clear? So guys, I just teach you two methods shown in practical, how we work in software. Now outlier concept was remaining. Let me teach you what is outlier for you. Empirical rule. I'll teach you empirical rule also and outliers also. I have taken a data over here, okay, which have how many number of customers data? How much? 1470. 1470 is number of rows, guys. Can you see? 1470. I draw the shape. What shape we have? Normal shape. So data look like normal. ये clear हो गया? Normal, no? So data look like normal. So we are happy. Now, if I want to know how much % data is normal, how can I find? By using empirical rule. The empirical rule give the answer in terms of percentage. What is the formula for empirical rule, guys? I teach you the formula something. Okay. So here also I will write as a layman, upper limit is mu plus 3 sigma. Okay. And what is the lower limit formula? To solve this, what we required, guys? We required mu and we required sigma. I'll give you a number. You will solve for me. Okay. What is the mean for us? 37. Standard deviation. Can you solve? Mu 37. Standard deviation 9.2. We are using empirical rule. 9.4. आप लोग को लिखना भी है ये सारी चीजें मतलब because I don't keep this note safe for me. Inside empirical, you write this one. You can add hashtag empirical rule example. This is the range. So lower limit is 9.4, upper limit is 64.6. So can I say that data coming in this range, they are normal data? Data beyond this range, either less or more. If you draw the empirical rule, guys, this is a shape. This is your lower, upper is how much? Lower is how much? Data come in this range is normal. In this range is ये clear हो गया. Now let's check first value. First value is how much? 41 come under this range. 49, 37, 23, 27, 32, 85. So can we call this 85 is abnormal? 85 will come far away. Let's check another one. 30. 1400 rows. I'll share this file with you. I'll give you time to write. Understand the concept first. Okay, then. So can I say, guys, as per the data, we found one row as an abnormal. If I keep there as, what do you will say? -3. Abnormal, which will come on this side. So data look like normal, okay, but some row will be abnormal. So that abnormal, either we call abnormal or we call as outliers. Till you're clear. So skewnesses give you the normal shape. So this is the concept for skewness. For in terms of percentage, we use empirical rule. Till you're clear, guys. I'll come to outliers also. Come. Ye clear ho gaya? Now I say this is outlier 85. Let's confirm it is outlier or not. What is the formula given for Venture box plot? Q3 okay, and for lower limit ये solve करना है. Now we required Q3 value. Q3 value I found as 43 and Q1 is 30. Can you solve this? And your IQR is 43 minus 13 is 13. So 43 plus 1.5 . How much? And how much for this? ये कौन सा टेक्निक है? Box plot. Guys, I'm combining all three in one line now. First, I combine skew-inesses. From skew-inesses to we go to empirical. Now, from empirical, we are coming to box plot. Can I say any value greater than upper limit is outlier? Any value lower than lower limit is outlier? Any number greater than upper limit, guys? What is upper limit value? 62.5. Any number is greater than 62.5? ये है ना? ये क्या हो जाएंगे हमारे लिए? Outliers. So it is not normal. I agree. But ये normal नहीं है तो ये क्या हो जाएंगे हमारे लिए? Outliers. Logic clear, guys? Easy. But the point how they are interconnected, skew-inesses, empirical rule, outliers. Any question you can ask, please. Easy. Same way we will go and check for everyone. For this one, what happened? This is normal. Minus 13. What is lower limit? 10. Minus 13 is less than 10. We call this as, or we call as outliers. Clear, clear. Any question on this? No questions? Anyone? Subham? They are normal. They are considered as normal. Any value which come under box whisker range or come under empirical rule range, they are called as normal data. Got the point? हाँ वो चेंजेस स्मॉल होगा चलेगा, वो चलेगा, उतना चेंज होगा, बीच में जो है वही नॉर्मल है. It's okay, minor difference थोड़ा सा रहेगा ही. No, they are normal. As per this, as per the upper box plot range, if they are not in range, that's outliers. Here it's give you idea, it's normal or not normal. It does not give you idea it's abnormal or outliers. The empirical rule only give how much % data is normal. For each and every value, means 10.5, 10.2, 9.6. If you want to check for each and every value, you use box plot. हाँ तो इस रेंज पे देखिए, अगर वो इस रेंज में है तो नॉर्मल है. लेस देन दिस रेंज, आउटलायर्स. Percentage is normal. Clear? Shall we move forward? Now you have to start typing. For everything, I'll give you 2 minutes for every definition. No, 1 minute for every definition. मतलब लिखना है बुक में. नहीं, you have to write in a book. Means I use laptop now, so I say type. So you have to write.
So you'll be providing this notes, no sir?
You have to write. All the notes are already there on drive for you. LMS put it.
Okay. नहीं मतलब ये वाला जो stats का related notes है ना.
This is my personal notes which is there in my brain.
Okay.
I don't have written, and written are 5 definition. If you want this 5 definition, I'll give you.
Sir, please drive में भी share करो ना.
You have to write this.
Will write sir. मतलब further reference के लिए अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो.
Madam, सिर्फ 20 lines है. You need to write.
Okay. Okay. सर 8 पॉइंट मिस हो गया. सर 8 पॉइंट नहीं लिखना.
I'm saying you write complementary event as 8 for you.
Okay. 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 So completed.
Second last definition. Yes, this is the last definition. Yeah, right this one. If you're done, I'll explain you the problem. What do you say? Pause. I'm going to explain the code to you, the concept on screen. So first, right, my start. Number one, period experiment. Read along with me. Write along with me. Anisha, write along with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, you have to leave a space. You have read many things over here. Okay.
सर यहाँ पर इक्वल टू प्लेस में एम्प्टी है या वैल्यूज कुछ लिखी हुई है? सर
Anisha, I'm audible to you? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can hear you.
So guys, we are working on probability now. So we have written 8 points. All definition you have written. Okay, we will cover each and every probability by example. Guys, what is the range of probability? 0 to 1. Confirm. Probability 0 to 1. Be confident when you speak. The range is 0 to 1. Now your homework is to find why the range is between 0 to 1. Why not beyond 1? And why not less than 0? Okay, I need answer by tomorrow with example. Either you give example or you write and come or you explain. If you write and come, only better for me to understand you. Okay, so range of probability is 0 to 1. We call probability as chances. What is a chance? Either we call chances or we call as probability. Now experiment. For example, let's take a simple word first. I have a coin. I flip. So coin for me is experiment. I'm flipping a coin. How many times I flip? One time. It is called as trial. If you flip the coin, guys, what are the possible outcomes? Either head or either tail. The sample space means all the possible outcomes of an experiment. Either I can get head or either I can get tail. Anisha, I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we have sample points. Sample point means we need to count how many values we have in sample space. 2. Now, event of A. A means what I want to find. Let's say probability of getting head. Let A be the event of getting head. How many head we have, guys? 1. We count as 1. Can we divide? 1 by 2. All the terms clear for you which you have written. You have written trial, you have written experiment, you have written sample space, you have written event. Other events are remaining. Huh? Sample point means count. How many we have in sample space? This is what you need to find. I say what is the chance of getting hit? I'll change the scenario, guys. Let's say I have a dice. I throw a dice one time. What are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many samples point we have? 6. Let event of A be getting odd numbers. How many are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. Can we count? It's become for US 3. What is the answer over here? 3 by 6. Easy to understand, guys. What is the meaning of trial? What is the meaning of experiment? This is layman. Write this example one time. Again, I will change the scenario. Write this. Total में से how much we are finding? You'll find that. अच्छा पढ़ रहे तो कौन कोई स्टूडेंट्स का ही है, आई थिंक ऋषि का होगा या तो
सर ये सब पूरा बट्टी करना क्या, आई मीन मेमोराइज करना क्या?
No, you have to understand this concept. You write this one time, I will explain it.
Okay.
You have to nothing memorize. If you memorize, shall I? Now let's move to, this is a simple example. Let's move to the business. Like talk about HDFC Bank or any bank. Guys, what banks do? Bank give loans. If we give loans to one customer, it become one trial. If bank give loans to 10 customers, that become 10 trials. So let's say bank has given a loan to a customer, which is one customer. After giving a loan, what happened, guys? What is the responsibility? To pay back. So either a customer pay money on time or customer don't pay money on time. So either a customer is a good or customer is bad. Can we count this? Let A be the event of finding chances of bad customer. Here we have 1B, 1 by 2. So can I say everywhere there's an experiment happening? Trial is there. So experiment is what we do. Trial, how many times we do. Sample space means all the possible outcomes. Sample point means how many outcomes we have. Event A means what I want to find. And sample space of event A, point and chances. Clear? Same points you have written, guys. Okay. Next, you have written something known as complementary event. Read the definition. So I just explain you what is experiment, what is trial, okay, what is sample space, what is sample points, equally likely. Let's understand what is the meaning of equally likely. Guys, if you throw a die, what can come? 1, 2, 3, any number can come. Can I say every number have equal chances? That is called equally likely. If you have a coin and both there we have head, what is the answer? Head only. That is called bias. If you have this type of scenario, you cannot use probability. Probability is applicable when every person have equal chance. Clear? For example, if company come for interview and he take interview for each and every one, can I say company can select any one person based upon the performance, or he select the known person? Random. Can I say every person who gave interview have equal chances of selection? Over there also we can use probability. That is called equally likely outcomes. So every outcome of an experiment has to be equal. Clear? Next. We have complementary. A is, let's say, an example I will write for you. Let me show a die. Sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Let A be the event of getting odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. What is opposite of A, guys? Remaining ones. Which are remaining? 2, 4, 6. Either you write dash or you write C. It has become complementary for you. Means opposite of A. Clear? The complementary event is opposite of any event. Then you have done algebraic. Guys, this algebraic we will do an experiment with the help of example. Okay. If you remember, we done in Python also, we done in SQL also, OR function. OR means any one event met. AND means both condition met. Same happens over here. We'll see with the help of example. Become more easy. Then you have mutual exclusive event. Occurrence of one event restrict or prevent the occurrence of other event. If one is happening, other will not happen. Repeating, if one event happens, another event will not happen. Then the two event is said to be mutually exclusive event. Let's see an example. We have a die. Okay. S stand for sample space. Okay. A be the event of getting odd numbers and even numbers, and C. We have taken 3 different events: A, B, C. Mutual means if A happens, B will not happen. If B happens, A will not happen. If you compare A and C, whatever we have in A, do we have in C also, guys? Whatever we have in B, do we have in C? So here we say that BC and AC, they are not mutual because they are occurring both at one time. And A and B, mutual. A occurs, B will not occur. B occurs, A will not occur. Clear? Easy. Should I repeat? Okay. Then we have another definition called exhaustive event. Okay. Let's understand exhaustive from here only. We have sample space S, we have A, B, and C. Guys, if I combine A and B, what I get? Okay. So A present, take it. If A union B, if both are present at one place, both are equal to sample space. If this happens, we call exhaust. Now, if you compare A and C, both combine equal to S? No. B and C, both combine and equal to S? No. So they are not exclusive, not exhaustive event. And this one is when we combine two events, become sample space, we call exhaust. Not equal, not exhaust. Simple, easy. Any question on definition, guys? What is the meaning of experiment? Anything, any product. Trial means how many times. Sample space means total number of possible outcome from experiment. If I throw, it can be 1, it can be 1 to 6, any number. Sample point, count of sample space. Event means what I want to find, what we need to find. And probability of A means even or odd, like this one. Probability of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Can we call S as total and A come from S only? Yeah. What is the meaning of complementary? If A is odd, opposite of A become complementary. Next, equally likely it comes on definition of experiment only. Then we have mutually exclusive. If A occurs, B will not occur. B occurs, A will not occur. If we combine A and B, it becomes exclusive, exhaustive. Any one occurs, we call this become for me as mutually exclusive event. When I combine both, it becomes exhaustive. Clear? Easy, guys. And I'll give a scenario. You tell me it's right or wrong. Let's say Rahul have 1,000 rupees. Okay. Rahul have 1,000 rupees. Okay. And you all want to do a party. Or let's say 10,000. 1,000 you have 10,000 rupees. You're doing a party in a classroom or anywhere. And he went to buy something for the class. So Shubham call and say, bring pizza for everyone. Then Swapnali say, bring burger also for me. What he has to bring? Pizza and burger. And he has 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Can he purchase? Possible? Yes. Let's reduce the amount. Thoda sa congested karte. Now, difficult. If I say you have to purchase both the price, you have to purchase both the product. Which concept would I apply? You have to purchase both. Point number 1. Second, either purchase pizza or either you take burger. Which one should I use? So when I say or any one event, we use union. This symbol is for or in probability. If I say you have to purchase both, symbol is, this is called intersection, or we call this is as and. The algebraic you have written now, given the notation definition. Clear? So when we have intersection, that become and, union is called or. Easy for you. Shall I increase the level? Okay. Write this example, guys. We'll solve one by one. First probability, then increase the level. Okay. हाँ हाँ प्रोबेबिलिटी की हायर वर्जन है. Write this and try to solve. Try yourself by solving. If not, then I will solve for you. Okay. First is greater than 12. How many are greater than 12? 8. What is the probability? Percentage. Percentage. 0.4. Always give probability in percentage, not in fraction. Solve for second one. Done for all. Third one. If you want to write neat, I will scroll slow. These are based for difficult example. What is for the fourth one? Sample space. Sixth one. Sixth. 1 by 20. I don't think so. Please cross-check the answer. If you want me to repeat and teach you, I will teach this again. Swapnali, did any help? Shubham, did any help?
सर एक बार थर्ड एंड फोर्थ
Yes.
वाला बताइए ना, क्रॉस चेक करना था. थर्ड आंसर एंड फोर्थ.
Third one is 0.3.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, take your time.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And fourth one is 0.8.
Sir, एक मिनट ऊपर लेके जाइए ना.
Or means
Fourth starting.
divisible and 4 both. 3 and 4
No,
means a number. Once again, Anish, a number should divide by 3 also and 4 also.
Okay.
Yes, Anish. Anisha, please say.
So can you hear me?
Yes, you're audible. You can say now.
Sir, actually, मुझे third, fourth point में doubt था कि multiple by 5, right? So
Yes. Not multiple by 5.
numbers.
Not multiple of 5.
Okay.
So your 5, 10, 15, 20 will vanish.
Okay.
Then this one. Write this one. Do not draw the diagram, guys. This is for your understanding.
Sir, this is next question.
Next question. This is your second question. Okay, I'll show you the card, guys. 1 second. People should not get confused. Written the question, everyone. Okay. There's an image for the card for you. Oh. Total, how many cards we have? So sorry. So your N of S will be 52. You can find the first one, an ace card. How many ace we have? 4. What is the probability will be? 7 point. So 4 divided by 52. Clear? Should I solve? Shubham done. Second, hard card. How many we have hard cards? 12. 1 to 10. 10 plus 3. So the for first one is 4 by 52. For second one, it should be able to solve. Should I solve for you? Are you अब solve कर पा रहे हो? वल्लभ, शांतनु. Question number 3. King of hearts. How many hearts we have? 1. In 1, how many hearts? How many king we have? 1 king. So 1 by heart makes से एक king चाहिए. So you pick up 1 king. This is your 1 king. 1 king you pick up. Total how many we have? 52. You have a total sample, no? Fourth one, a face card. Face card means this one. This are face card. How many we have? 12. 12 by. If you need, guys, I have written a solution over here, systematic way. An ace card are 4. Question number 3. Yes. 3 sub questions. वही तो टास्क है.
Sir, if you don't mind, third point एक बार बताओ ना, please. I think I did some mistake in notes. ऊपर का sir. Third point.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one small doubt. Programming
Yes.
को और stats को link कुछ है क्या sir? I mean,
Programming
problems जैसा दिख रहा है. I mean, normal maths के problems की तरह.
This is normal maths only for time being. I'll increase the level.
Okay, okay sir.
These are the basic one.
Okay sir.
Shall I? Crossing the sample space. This is basic probability. Theorems will come. Application will come. Probability by default comes in interview. Assessments में हो गए, you will have in your aptitude में भी होंगे. Aptitude में तो by default होंगे. Probability में they will give you scenarios and they will ask you in the interview. Right, this is a sample space I've given to you. Exactly 2 head means. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 8. Okay. At least 2 head. At least means minimum 2 or more than 2 also. So here we have 4. At most 2 means maximum 2. Or we don't have. 7 by 8. 0 B. At most is max. At least is minimum. एटमॉस्फेरिक ज्यादा से ज्यादा हाँ. Guys, make sure ready for at least and at most. You have many examples to solve. 3 examples of basic probability.
सर ये नोट्स भी आप शेयर करते ना ड्राइव में.
ठीक है, I'll do that.
थैंक यू सर.
One second. No? Write this one, guys. We'll do 2 definition and then we will stop. 2 definition, 7 example. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. I will try to finish early. Okay. I write dependent event and first we're writing for independent. We'll solve an example. Then we'll go for dependent also. Simple will be done to find this. Run definition, guys. Leave one page forward and backward and write definition for this one. One second. Okay. Write this. Fine.
सर ये जो थ्योरम से लाइक एग्जाम में ऐसा पूछते क्या है थ्योरम लिखो बोल के या समथिंग
they will give you example to solve.
Okay.
Definition they will not ask you, but definition is needed for interview point of view. Okay, that's why making you right. I will explain with example what is independent and what is dependent. This is scenario, a small scenario. Done, guys? Shall I? We studied something known as event, if you remember. This one is better, this one. First or second? Same, what difference? Events. So event means what we need to find. What is the favorite? There are two types of event. One is your independent and another one is your dependent event. Now let's study one by one. So have you seen this type of symbol in your academic, guys? How you read? A divided by B. Good. Mathematician. Okay. How you read this one? Statistician. थोड़ा अच्छे से पढ़ो. Probability of A given that B has already happened. Depending. Probability of A given that B has already, you say occurred, or you can say happened. Okay. This is a definition, way of reading A/B. If I say the formula given to the scientist, A/B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Yes, scientific formulas. Okay. I say probability of A given that B has already occurred, means already happened. Probability of buying a earphone given that customer already have mobile phone. Agree? Probability of buying a screen card given that customer already have mobile phone. First we purchase mobile, then we go for screen card. Clear? Can you give me an example? Any example which you feel like? People buying mouse, okay. Given that already he have purchased or already he has have laptop. Okay. Let's take an example. I come to a mobile phone, I click on this. Once you click on any of the mobile phone, once you click on any of the phone, okay. Okay. Once any customer click on the mobile phone, company thinks that you are going to purchase. Okay. And below, if you give, they start giving you a suggestion. Purchase this also. So you're clicking, they assume you have already purchased. Means you will going to purchase it. It is 100% confidence. And they keep on giving a suggestion, buy all three. Got the point? So probability of buying mobile given that he has a headphone. Any example, guys? Any other example? Probability of buying a mobile insurance given that customer already have iPhone. It's not valid for Realme. Okay. So you have to say iPhone. Okay. The person have a bike. Perfect. You see, that is called dependent. So we guys always find chances for upper one. Clear. Now next, independent events. What is the meaning of independent? Does not depends on each other. Probability of buying a laptop. Can I say it is independent of jeans? A, probability of buying laptop. B, you purchase a denim jeans. Can you say both are independent? Agree. So you're independent. Two or more events are independent of each other. Clear. Write this for your example, guys.
सर आप एक बार इंडिपेंडेंट का बोलिए ना प्लीज.
Let's say probability of first thing, two events. Probability of going for a vacation, okay, and probability of buying a laptop. Laptop and vacation have any relation? No. So they are independent. Clear?
So मतलब डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट में डिफरेंस कुछ भी नहीं है, लाइक सेम फॉर्म लाएगा क्या?
No, there is a difference now. Can you see the example which written? Okay, I'll ask you a logical question. Okay, I'll ask you a logical question. So you purchase cosmetic product?
Yes, sir.
Girls are famous for shopping and cosmetic, very interested. Okay. So what are the things we have in cosmetic? Can you say the name? One is lipstick. Okay. Lipsticks and foundation. Two is more than that. Lipstick and foundation. Okay, I understand this too. Okay. So they both is mandatory to buy. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
But if you along with foundation, do you use anything else on that?
Yeah, compact powder.
If you only apply foundation, look better, or you apply compact and foundation is better?
Compact and foundation.
Okay. So probability of you went to the shop, Anisha, you already have compact with you. Okay. What you will purchase now?
Foundation.
Foundation. This is called dependent. Point number one.
Okay.
Because foundation purchase depends on your compact.
Okay.
Now, purchase of your lipstick depends on your foundation. No, they are independent. So they are called independent events. The second concept is example of independent. First is example of dependent.
Okay, sir.
So probability when it comes to us become more easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Want to give more example?
No, sir. Got it.
Okay. You written independent now. You have written dependent also. After dependent, don't leave page. Write this explanation. After this, I'll give you example. Given that B has already occurred. Then guys, great example for this, for independent. Yeah, where you left the space now. Over there, you write example for independent first.
Sir, completed.
Done. Now guys, read the question first and then let's solve. A person is known to hit a target in 3 out of 4 shots. So you have to shot 4 times. Out of 4, he hit how much time accurate? 3 times. Whereas another person, so we have 2 people, A and B. Can I say 2 people who play the shot, they're independent? Agree? So, and second person, how many shots is doing? 3. Out of 3, how many is the target? 2. Can you solve? Can you find A upon B? First A, then B. Can you fit like this way? Done everyone? Easy? Solve this one. I'll copy this.
Sir, previous question explanation हो गया.
You want me to explain?
I mean, पूछ रही थी sir. आप सिर्फ question लिखो बोले थे ना?
No. I'll explain again. I have done the explanation. I'll explain for you on screen. This was the previous question. So here we have A is the first person and B is the second person. Okay. Probability of first person hitting a target is 3 out of 4. Second one, we have person B. He fired 3 times. Out of 3, 2 times we hit a target. So we have a first person and we have second person. If probability of the target being hit at all when both try, both means A and B, both are firing and both person are independents. For example, I fire with the gun and you fire with the gun. We both are independent. So we have to multiply like this way. Clear? Anisha, should I repeat?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Solve this one.
Sir, question में independent or dependent कैसे मालूम होगा? Like they didn't mention anything, no?
It's not mentioned. You have to think. There are 2 people who are firing with a gun. If 2 people are firing, means they are independent, logically.
Yeah.
That logic you have to think and apply. So a jar contains 3 red, 5 green, 2 blue, and 6 yellow. Total are how many, guys? So we have 16 marbles. A marble is selected at random from the jar. We are selecting only one marble. After replacing with the second marble is chosen, means you replace and select the second one. आपको कुछ भी ना? नहीं ये वाला है. Okay. So here we have to replace first with the second one. What is the probability of choosing a green? For example, think like you have a jar, a big jar, and you have 16 balls. Okay. Any ball, guys, you pick up, can I say it's random? Every ball you pick up is independent of first and second, because you don't know what is coming in your hand. So every ball you pick up, it's independent. So what you have to find first picking is green. So how many green we have? We have 5. And how many yellow? 6. Probability of A will be 5 by 16. B will be 6 by 16. Can you solve this?
Sir, इसका आंसर 1.8 है क्या?
How much are you getting, guys? Can you give me in percentage, please? 11.771.
Sir, if you don't mind, ये percentage कैसे calculate करना? I mean, denominator same है, so 5 6 30 by 16 ना?
Yes. Do normal calculation if you are not comfortable. Do 5 divided by 16 and do 6 divided by 16. Guys, keep a habit in stats, use a calculator. Okay. 11 by 71.
Okay. Okay.
Everyone is using calculator now. Either in mobile phone or any, it's okay. Using calculator only. 11.71. Write this example, guys. This is for dependent one. Independent we finish. Now we'll go for dependent. We are doing for dependent event. Done, guys. So first we'll write what is given in the data. Okay. So a math teacher gave her class 2 tests. So there are test A and test B. 25% of the class passed both the tests. So, right. A is your first test and B is your second test. Okay. A and B is how many, guys? They pass both the tests. So A we can write as your first Let me do. Probability for passing both the tests is how much? 25%. Probability of passing the first test. 1 second. Huh? I'll change the scenario. I read this as second. This is first for you. (0.42). This is the probability. I'll convert. This is the given data. Next, what percent of those who pass the first test and also have passed the second? So probability of passing first test, given that he has already passed.
P of A intersection B by P of B आता.
Also pass the second proper, no? पहले आप first test pass हो जाओगे, then you will pass the second. It's proper. Probability of passing A for second, given that customer have already passed first one.
Probability of second given here, divide probability of second now. Probability of first is given, but probability of second is not given.
We have to find that. Confusion नहीं होना है, ठीक है? मैं लिखता हूँ. Second and first. Original formula is what? Like this way. Let me write the original formula, guys. मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, ठीक है? P of A slash B is equal to P of A intersection B into P of B. Same way I've written. We have for both. The person who clear both the tests is 0.25. The person who clear only first test is 0.42. We need to find what is the chance he will also clear second test. You will eligible to give the second test when you clear first. You have to clear the first test. This is theoretical formula. This is I converted in this format. Agree or should I repeat? Anisha, clear for you or should I repeat?
Sir, फिर solution में 0.25 by P of B मतलब 0.42 आएगा क्या?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Easy. 59 round up to 60%. The 60% chance the people who clear the first test will also clear the second test. Easy or difficult? Last example, guys. Shall I? You written the example, just writing solution, no? Write second example, guys. This is the last example. I'm just writing a theoretical formula, guys. Written, guys. Now, probability that it is a Friday, which happened in the classroom also. Friday, people become absent or online, and that a person is absent. So here we have two things, Friday and absent. We have A and we have B. Since there are 5 school days in a week, the probability that he is absent is 0.2. What is the probability that a student is absent given that today is Friday? So can I say today is Friday over here? Because it's coming in given. And students is absent. Now guys, again I'm reading. Probability that Friday, it is a Friday and students is absent. Can I say both? Students is absent also and we have Friday. What is the probability? Clear? Probability that it is a Friday is how much? Can you put in the above formula, guys? How much? 15% chance the students will be absent on Friday. Easy or difficult? My suggestion, guys, tomorrow before coming for a session, revise from main till dependent event. Everything you read, my example, same thing come I will take a small test for you. That's what happens. Same gap happen in the way we happen in Python. I'll give you 3-4 questions to solve. Only for till this lecture of stats. Yesterday and today.
So sir, please कल को और आज का notes drive में दे दीजिए ना please. Stats का कल को और आज का.
Stats, my notes is very heavy. Anyone can scan and upload on drive because I have many things in my notes.
Okay.
Okay. So you have
actually written... I have my writing problem. So मेरा writing मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कभी-कभी.
ठीक है. One second. Scan and upload. Okay. Rahul will scan and upload on drive. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you.